Turning your engine IJ983. Running good. The front engines looks good, as you can see, no damage. Compressor look as well. Altimeter look nice, in good conditions. Socket looks good. And on this side, engines looks good, no damage. Gearbox look as well, as you can see. Starter look nice. And on this side, engines look nice. Engines turbo, no damage. Brakes, turbo turn. And on the top, as you can see, plastic cover look as well. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine IJ983.